For those who have given their time and effort to make this happen, first of all, to God, for giving me guidance in everything, for all the blessings, for the 18 years He had given with these wonderful people who are with me now.
It's human to doubt, it's human to struggle.
We wish you all the best. Sana ipagpatuloy mo yung pagiging mabait na anak.
It's human to feel like I'm in it alone.
Ang wish ko, sana mangarap ka. Dream big and aim high, anak.
I am only flesh and bone.
Welcome to the age of legality. So continue reaching your dreams, future nurse.
Never give up. Never give up. Any challenge, any obstacle.
Sana lahat ng desires ng puso mo matupad mo. Lahat ng naisip mo sa buhay mo, yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay mo is matupad mo.
Never give up. Never give up. It's human to laugh. It's human to cry. It's human to lie down. It's human to fly.
Proud na proud ako sa iyo, anak. Dahil lumaki kang mabait. Sana ipagpatuloy mo pa ito. Gusto ko pa lalo kasi nagdadalaga ka na kahit na nasa legal age ka na. Tandaan mo ang mga pagsisikap, paghihirap, mga sakripisyo na ginagawa namin ng daddy mo ay para sa iyo.
To never give up.
Always keep reaching for the stars, but you should always keep your feet on the ground. Kahit anumang marating mo, anak, panatilihin mo ang iyong paa nakaapak lagi sa lupa.
And never give up. Never give up.
Thank you for making my birthday extra special. God bless us all.
Till I drop, till I reach the top. I go all the way and I don't stop, don't stop. Do what I do when I'm on the move, and I'm coming in fast. Can you keep up, keep up? Ready, set, go, and I'm on a roll. Now red light, green light, go, go, go. I make it look good like it ain't a thing, like it ain't a thing. What you gonna do? Oh! What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I wanna get.
Ladies and gentlemen, our lovely debutante, Janessa Marieh Bautista.
What you gonna do? Oh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh, can you keep up? Can you keep up? Can you keep up? Ready or not, now here I come. Better get yourself up, get ready, ready. Hot like a sauna, gonna bring the heat. Better hold on steady, can you keep up, keep up? Foot on the brake, gonna hit the gas, gonna rev it on up. Now I'm coming in fast, I'll make it swerve when I hug the turns. Better get out the kitchen, cause you're gonna get burned, yeah.